Your inner world, it is your outer reality. Now you are wondering, why did you say this? No, outer reality, it is not my inner world. It is given by the universe. It is the experience that I am experiencing out of the blue. No, it's not. And in this video, I will help you to understanding it better so that you can live a better life, so that you can understand this reality yourself better. Welcome. This is your Inner Power University. So now let us just dive into it. I'm going to make it very simple for you to understand it. There is polarity. There is this universal polarity that is existing in this universe. And how do we know it? We know it because the way day existing, night exists. Hot and cold. Feminine and masculine, dark and bright, inside and outside, good and bad, black and white. So now that you see how it goes, the polarity, how everything it is into this oneness, but at the same time, it is two energy floating together. Like the sun and moon, right? Girls and boys. So now it is same with your inner world. If you are having a world inside of you, that is how you are having a world outside of you. So now it is based on whatever you are thinking, you are feeling it, and whenever you feel it, it becomes to your speech and actions, right? So now that is how you are creating your world from inside. Your inner world, it is your outer reality. Everything that you are thinking, you are feeling it, you are manifesting it, you are creating it from inside. How come you are not aware of everything that you see within in your mind eye, your imagination land? The stronger you feel it every single day, the stronger manifestations comes and knocks on your door. But you cannot feel without thinking. You have to think it first. But where all of these thoughts are coming from, it is from your subconscious programming. Either you like it or not. Either you are aware of it or not. It is your own programming. All the programming that have been put into your mind from your childhood, from your parents, siblings, your neighborhood, your country, your cultures, everything, all of the TV shows and programs and cartoons, everything, it is coded within you. Now you are wondering why you are like the way you are, why your reality it is the way it is, because you are believing in those programming. You are believing it and you think this is what it is. But there is a way you can reprogram it. And you cannot just reprogram it in a day, but if you really want to reprogram and change something or add something new, you can do it. But the thing is that your mind, it needs to be on this empty space if you want to add something new. But you cannot empty it without deleting the old programming, old BS, everything that you're believing in. And then you grow up, you started to add little bit of more, maybe from the schools and your friends. And now your reality looks like it. Your reality looks like your inner world. So you are going around blaming the nature, blaming the universe, and this is what God has given to you. But no, if you think that you are not smart enough, you will act like it. If you think that you are not rich enough, you will act like it. You will act like it. You will be it, right? If you think that you are this and that, you will be it. So you have to think it first in order to feel it. And when you feel it, you become it. That is why you can uplift yourself by thinking differently, coming outside of the box, really develop yourself with some personal growth, really knowing thyself, add some new programming. Just by listening to me now, you are adding some. new energy within in yourself. The more you listen to someone, the more you program yourself with it. And now you are reprogramming all of this old BS. Let's say that someone programmed within you that, well, the mango color, it is red. It's not yellow, it is not orange, it is red. And you keep believing in it. Now you see mango, oh, it is red. But guess what? Mango is orange and it is yellow. So now if someone at the right program within you, no, mango is yellow. Now, and it tastes sweet. So you will always be in this BS belief system, right? So maybe someone somehow added some programs that is not for you, that is not for you in a way where it is not giving you abundance of fruit, abundance of happiness and success, abundance of, joy and balancing in your life. And now that you know, you have to delete those old programming by adding something new. And repetitions is what reprograms your mind and reprograms your belief system. Repetition. If you listen to a song every single day, what kind of song is it? If you listen to a good vibe song that talks positively, automatically you will shift high. You will start to think positive. You will start to talk positive. You will start to think differently. If someone comes and knocks on your doors and say, hey, guess what? You are a multi-dimensional being having human experience, but your parents told you about some unseen God and this is what you should believe in. So you are maybe a religious person and you keep believing in it until someone told you, hey, do you know you are made of stardust? So now automatically the first time you are going to neglect it, you are going to ignore it, you are going to look down on the person. But if you are really into this openness, open mind, like what's else to explore rather than this old BS, so you try to dig in, like, oh, I have a soul. Oh, I'm connected with the cosmos. Oh, I'm a multi-dimensional being having human experience. My soul within me is not mortal. I am immortal. So how do I experience it? How do I know the truth? So you start to really seek for it and you put yourself in repetition, in practice in order to really experience it. And this is how you do it. But first you will find it difficult because if you are fully fixed in something and someone throws some new vibe, of course you will be shocked. You will be like, whatever, this is demonic. I have to cover myself. So it is same with any errors in your BS, within yourself. It is same with success. Let's say that your parents says that, well, we don't have enough, right? Or we should be hush hiding the money or not showing to anybody whenever we have something. So you've grown up by believing in it. And right now you might not have enough. You are wondering, what can I do? How can I become rich? You are doubting yourself. Even though you have enough money, you are still feeling poor. Even though you are living in abundance, you are still doing it. Why? Because of this BS. But now if someone comes and tells you, hey, do you know you are living in abundance? Universe is giving you abundantly. You are rich. You will be a billionaire. Will you believe it? Will you feel it? Will you think about it over and over again? Of course not. You will go back to your old programming. And the only way to remove this, it is adding some new program within you where you really see the root, see the cause, what happened, and now how can you remove this energy? How can you shift it? How can you shift it within yourself in order to attract whatever you deserve? So that your reality looks like it, so that you don't have to think twice when you buy something because you always feel rich, right? It is same with health. It is same with any areas of your life, also educations. So you can reprogram it all. So that is why I say there is this polarity. Once you understand polarity, you can shift yourself. You can level up in any areas in this reality. Once you understand the polarity and later you shift yourself, you level up in any areas of your life, that everything that is happening outside of you, it is coming from your inner world. Your inner world, it is the reality that you are living in. your inner world, it is your outer reality. So what you need to fix, what you need to delete, what you need to reprogram, it is your own inner verse. And your inner verse, it is your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, your BS, your belief systems, your programming. And it is all coded in your subconscious mind, and the program is running and it is popping up like thoughts that you are unaware of. And the greatest techniques, it is repetitions, it is your actions. You do it even though when you feel tired and not motivated enough. And also meditation, going for yoga, right? Breathe work. If you're really into it, you can program yourself, studying, reading those books in those subjects that you want to reprogram yourself with. Either it is personal growth, self-development, human psychology, whatever it is. Is it money? Is it finances? Is it business? What is it? What is it? Is it meditation, enlightenment? Whatever it is, you can reprogram yourself with this. I'm doing it. So guys, thank you all for watching. This is your Inner Power University. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay blessed.